Hey everybody, it's Jared here. I am with Zach and we are doing the cab seal kit on the KRX 1000. This is another 90-second tech tip for you. So what we've discovered in using the cab seal kit is they do have you seal this up along here using some 3M adhesive. It's got an applicator pad that you use to clean the area and it helps bond to the material. However, we've learned over time that that seal is going to pop off. So these are going to be your best friend right here. All you're going to do is go in and drill some and add a few of those. How many did you put in here, Zach?
5.
So 5 down each side on the front, and then we also do them around the back side. These plastic push darts are cheap, you guys, and it's allowing these cab seal kit pieces to stay in place much better. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. I'm going to be doing another review video on the cab seal kit, as the cab seal kit was my least favorite accessory from Kawasaki. However, guess what? It's in the top 5 now, maybe. You're going to want to check out that video. Give us a call, my personal cell phone, 435-851-3637. That's 90-second success with the KRX 1000. Have a great night, everybody.